Hey everybody, it's Coach Johnny with Let's Learn Muay Thai. Today we're going to learn the Ultra Ultra. This is a long combo to help you improve your boxing skills. So the first section, I'm throwing a jab cross, slip to the back, throw the cross. Do this a couple times until you get used to it. Now the second section, jab cross, slip cross, roll, cross, hook, cross. Let's try that again. Jab, cross, slip to the back, cross, roll to the back, cross, hook, cross. Do this several times until you get used to it. Okay, let's move on to the third section. Jab, cross, slip to the back, cross, roll to the back, cross, hook, roll towards the front leg, hook, cross. Let's repeat that. Jab, cross, slip to the back, cross, roll to the back, cross, hook, roll to the front, hook, cross. Now we're on the fourth section. As you can see, I repeated the third and added a few more moves. So let's try that again. Jab, cross, slip to the back, cross, roll to the back, cross, hook, roll to the front, hook, cross, slip to the back, slip to the front, roll to the back, roll to the front, double up, body, head, cross. 1, 2, slip 2. Now I'm putting it all together. All four sections. Don't be afraid to rewind this and play it over and over again until you can do all four together in a nice, smooth transition. Body, head, cross. Try it again. Jab, cross, slip to the back, cross. 1, 2, slip 2, roll. 2, 3, 2. Again, 1, 2, slip 2, roll. 2, 3, roll the other way. 3, 2, one more time. 1, 2, slip 2, roll. 2, 3, roll. 3, 2, slip to the back, to the front, roll to the back, to the front. 5, 3, 2. As always, I appreciate you coming in. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit X3 Sports Atlanta. See ya.